In this video, I'm going to show you how you can prevent unsecure emails from sending you emails, links, or even files in Outlook. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to secure your emails and account on Outlook, first go ahead and log into your Outlook account and then go to settings here on top. Then from settings here, look for mail. Under mail, look for this option called junk email, and here go to security options. Here you can check either to block attachments, pictures, and links from anyone not in my Safe Center and domain list, and also you can block emails that you don't trust from here. So if you have emails that you don't trust or you don't want anyone within your domain, then check the two or one of them and then click on save. So that's how you can secure your emails in Outlook. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.